guys! Welcome back my YouTube channel. It's me again, Saidi Galsote. Yan guys. In this episode is regarding the unboxing of the special gift. This is the barley product. Ayan guys. So, ayan. Lagay muna natin ito sa live. So, ang barley product, okay, this is the gift from my colleagues. Now, one of the distributor in GC Premier, I get the gift from her is 2 pack. In 1 pack, they have a 10 sachet. Okay, guys, GC Barley Organic. They can help of our heart. The key benefits of this one is heart health, okay, helps of our lower, wait lang nagkakaroon ng connection sa ating wifi connection guys. So ayan, i-continuous ko lang no, kasi yung isang phone ko nagla-live din po kasi ako. Ayan, GC Organic Barley this is from New Zealand. Ayan. I use this one within 15 years. Okay. I'm the barley users. I take this one in capsule and barley juice. Okay. Because before I get the ovarian cancer before in Singapore, no? So, very worse my story in my ovarian cancer before. So, I found this one within 15 years. I start as I am the users within 15 years of the GC barley product. Okay, I use the capsule and I use also the barley juice. Okay, guys. Yung capsule kasi, guys, oral yon, ini-intake po natin. Ang benefits, the key health benefits of this one is our heart health, blood sugar management, and digestive health. Ayan guys. Yung sa heart health guys is to remove the cholesterol and triglycerides, reducing the risk and heart disease. Ayan guys. So, may naka-ready po ako dito water. Iinumin natin at ipipresent ko po sa inyo ang I will represent to you guys how to make this one. In 1 sachet, 1 glass of water guys. Ayan. So, this one, they have a 10 sachet inside. Okay guys. And also, they have a coffee barley guys. So, let's try the GC Organic Barley first before we can proceed in coffee barley. Soon I will buy the coffee barley, no guys. So if you have a membership or if you have business of this company, the GC barley is very good for our life. You have to become a good life because this one is a lifetime business. Only one time you can join in one time. Only 1498. Okay, you have a one package of, it depends what are you choosing, is the health or the what do you call this, beauty product. Okay guys, or they have a wholesaler also for the memberships. This is a 3 types different po. Ayan. So, ipa-flash ko sa inyo soon ang aking ipopost ko po sa inyo ang aking mga i-introduce po. Unahin lang po natin ang aking favorite na GC Organic Barley Juice guys. Ayan. So, ayun ang mga benefits guys, is unang-una sa heart disease natin. Ako, isa na ako doon na may heart ako. Before, I used the barley product because of my acute ovarian cancer before, 15 years ago. Okay guys, so naano naman niya because I take the barley capsule guys. And also, nag-reduce po yung yung weight ko. Okay guys, and also they have a blood sugar, yung mga may sakit na may mga sa blood at mga highly diabetic, mga ganyan guys, mga diabetes niya, mariresolve niya po. Gawin nyo pong alternative po tong product na to ng organic, GC Organic Barley and the capsule. That one, they have here already in Qatar, the GC capsule. Okay guys, and GC barley juice. Okay guys, you can see also in the website of the GC premier Doha branch here in Qatar. We can meet in the Al Sadd soon, and I will start to proceed again to as a distributor of this one, of all the product of the barley. Okay, this is only one time you can join, only one time in lifetime business. Is only 1498. You have a one package, either health and beauty product, if you can choose. It depends on you guys. So this one, GC Organic Barlix, is the nutrient dense of the dietary supplement and sourced from New Zealand, and rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidant. Ayan, walang pagkakalayo to dun sa pangalan nito, bean sprout, no? And also, the blood sugar, cholesterol, and support immune function and digestion, and promotes a bone health. Which is, proven ko na po to guys, when I use the barley capsule and GC barley, organic barley, no? Is sobrang sexy ko pa dati. Nung ini-stop ko, I stop this one within 5 years, no po? Na-stop ko to guys. So, they have all my friends, they have advice to come back again. So nandiyan pa naman ng GC para sa akin. Nagpahinga lang ako ng kaunti, so kailangan po natin i-continuous kasi ito lang ang gusto ng aking katawan. Proven ko na to sa aking katawan, sa aking capsule, na within dito sa paggamit ko dito sa Qatar, nasa 8 years ko na po to gamit. Since 2016 yan, going 9 years na po. And nung nasa Pilipinas ako, gamit ko. So, within 15 years ko na naggamit po ang juice and capsule po guys. Ayan, gawin lang po natin alternative ito sa ating katawan. Ayan guys. Sa lahat ng mga may mga maintenance na i-alternate lang po natin. I drink this one, the GC Organic Barley juice, is every morning, and night and evening. Ayan, after my meals. So, ngayon, sabi kong gano'n, kanina, nag-unboxing ako ng pa-birthday sa akin, nakita ko. So, sabi ko, sige, itidemo ko na to. This one, the one box is 10 sachet. So, we can see, and let's see, in the inside, guys. Ayan. So, mayroon siyang 10 sachet, guys. Ayan. Actually, ito, I have a post in my FB and also here in my channel, no? So, mayroon akong mga na-i-post na recap nito since 2022, 2021. Ayan. Sayang lang at hindi ko na itago yung other videos for this, but pwede na natin gawin ulit. I-recap po natin ulit. So, ito yung itsura niya. This is the one sachet. Ayan, guys. So, ilagay lang natin. Kung may tumbler kayo, I have, mostly they have, the GC Premier Hindu, they have a tumbler, included the tumbler, no? May individual din po tayong mabibili sa office, sa headquarters, no? The tumbler. So, ayan, ibinubuhos lang to ng mga distributor at laging iniinom nila. Ayan, thank you Ma'am Feby, pagdayo sa iyong very nice and na pangalan nito, na gift sa akin. At alam niya na ito yung kailangan ko at gusto ko kasi nga undergo din po ako ng bed rest at medication sa aking heart, sa aking blood. Diabetes is okay naman, ang sugar ko okay naman, so heart lang and also sa aking blood. So we can put like this guys in one sachet. So nakikita nyo guys, so talagang buo yung mga nila. Actually, ang dami ko nang na-take na kayo dito. I'm the barley users capsule and also the ayan. Actually guys, bala ko pa nga tong gawing experimental sa aking ine-experiment na ice cream flavor. So let's see. So ang gagawin po natin tong ice cream flavor, tong barley na to. Ayan. So yung iba, nilalagyan nila ng ice. It depends of you guys kung anong gusto nyo experiment. Kasi napakaganda ang kanyang ingredients guys. Ayan. So makikita nyo guys sa ating, this is 300 ml, no? Ayan, cold water. Pero ako, hindi ako nagko-cold. Warm water lang to guys. Ayan. So, kung nahalo nyo na guys, this is a 1 glass. no? Nasa 300 ml. Pero I don't know if 300 ml to. But in the instruction, the direction here in the box is 300, must be 300 ml na cold water, guys. Ayan. And they have a website in GC Premier, guys. I-click nyo lang po ang GC Premier na link. Okay, guys. So, mag-a-appear na po dyan ang different products in GC. Okay, guys. And the barley users, guys. So, ayan. So, nakita ko na po lahat ayan, nakita ko na po. So, inumin lang po natin to, guys. Let's drink, guys. So, inumin lang po natin. Don't put any sugar. Yun lang, pure lang. At i-start na po natin. Ang taste sachet, nasa sa inyo yan once a day or twice a day nyo iinumin. Ayan, guys. So, hindi siya amoy putik o amoy grass. Yan ang tatrabawin ko. Mag-a-avail tayo ng branch ng gusto ko kasi magkaroon ng coffee shop. Ayan. So, idadagdag po natin itong business. Actually, itong business na po na to is dito na lumaki ang aking mga anak. Dito na nagbinata, nagdalaga hanggang sa nagkaapo ko. Dito sa GC Premier Business, this company, guys. So, the best talaga ang company na to, and talagang I'm the barley users po, guys. Ayan. So, you can join and let's meet in the office headquarters in the Alsad. Once again, GC Premier here in Doha, Qatar. And soon, I will go also in Dubai. And very, very soon, hintayin nyo po ako dyan sa bagong inopen ni Boss Joe and Boss Car na dyan po sa Dubai. And of course, in the Philippines also. And different brands, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, there in the Philippines. So, magsama-sama po tayo ulit. And especially in the Singapore, guys. Ayan. We can go in Singapore. Ayan. So, lahat ng mga friends ko dito sa Doha, ano pang ginagawa po natin? Let's join this as very simple business. Ayan. Talagang lifetime business. You can join this lifetime business. So, once again, this is a GC organic barley juice. Okay, guys, and we have organic capsule also. So, nandito na ang capsule. Ayan. So, nakita ko lang bago ako mag-live. Nandito na po sa Qatar ang GC capsule and GC juice. Ayan. So, matagal na po. So, ayan. Ang maitutulong po nito is for our blood sugar, cholesterol, support immune function, aids digestion, promotes of bones and health. Exactly. Lahat ng kailangan ko nandito kasi tinitherapy po ko sa aking spine, sa aking bones, sa aking heart. Ayan. So, andito na lahat ng aking kailangan, guys. Ayan. So, GC Organic Barley, guys. Ayan. Tara na, guys. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Inumin na natin to. Mag-join na tayo sa halagang 1498. Mayroon na tayong health and beauty product. It depends on you kung ano i-choice yung mga produkto sa GC. Dito sa Doha, Qatar, to all OFW, to my loving OFW. Maliit lang po ang puhunan pero pang lifetime. May produkto na kayo at pag naibenta nyo po to, more than that pa at bibigyan pa kayo ng good life. Ayan. So may mga maraming benefits po itong small business. The worth of capital is only for 1498. And you can visit, we have our own office, we have our own product. Hindi na po tayo magre-rental ng opisina. Andiyan dyan na ang produkto. Wala tayong ibang gagawin. Magbenta lang tayo, mag-invite lang tayo sa mga gusto nating tulungan na gustong magkanegosyo sa maliit na kapital lang po, guys. Ayan, this is 1498 and you have a product already. Health in beauty product. Ayan, it depends of your choice kung anong klase, what kind of business or package na i-avail nyo sa GC Premier Company. Ayan, dito sa Doha, Qatar branch. Ayan guys, within 15 years, prove ko na to guys. Dito ko na napag-graduate ang aking mga anak. Dito na ako nagkaapo. At dito na rin ako tatanda. Dito sa GC Premier. Thank you Boss Joe and Boss Car. Ayan guys. So, ito na. Thank you Barley. Thank you so much sa Barley, GC Barley Organic. Okay guys. So, lifetime ko na itong ipopromote sa aking channel at ito yung gamit ko po lagi. And marami pa akong product na i-introduce po sa inyo ng aking business, small business ito. Ayan. So, this is a big time business. So, talagang abangan po natin. Every day I have a live. I'm back guys. So, see you in the office also. Headquarter office. And this barley juice is, ito na yung daily na gagamitin ko guys. Ito na yung daily na iinumin ko. Okay guys, so thank you sa organic, thank you sa GC Premier, GC Organic Barley Juice. Bye guys, hanggang dito lamang. Please like and share, comments down below. And please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you po sa inyong support sa aking, sa lahat ng aking mga subscriber, viewers, and followers sa aking social media platform. Thank you guys. I love you guys. And God bless you all. Love you. Thank you for watching.